Make writing practice delightful for kids with Target's Writing Practice Book Kit. It comes with 4 writing practice books for pattern, English letter and number writing practice. The pattern tracing book covers the 12 basic pre-writing strokes. These will help develop the fine motor skills required to write. The books have big, bold fonts with directional indicators that early learners can finger trace for easy identification. Dotted lines are provided so kids can understand how to form patterns, letters and numbers properly. The continuous tracing will also aid in the development of muscle memory. There is a special space for freehand writing practice that has been marked with a start point. The ABC letter writing practice books have classic red and blue lines for neat handwriting. Vibrant illustrated examples are given for kids to relate patterns, letters and numbers to objects. All the books are loaded with exciting interactive activities for fun revision. Choose Target publications for a fun-filled learning experience.